Hello, my name is Leah Heyerman. I'm one of the onboarding and training specialists here at Illinois Mutual, and today we're going to learn about Path Protector Plus Whole Life and Simplified Issue Whole Life. Today's consumers want solutions that are easy and convenient, and our series of life insurance products can help position you for success in a marketplace that demands simplicity and values guarantees. While we also offer term life products, today we're going to look at our Path Protector Plus Whole Life plans, exciting insurance solutions, and supporting concepts that can help you sell more life insurance and grow your business. Path Protector Plus Whole Life offers 5 different plan options and a variety of riders, so it can be strategically utilized for multiple protection needs based on your client's life stage, financial situation, and planning objectives. A great way to compare our whole life products side by side is by utilizing our whole life portfolio comparison chart. Starting with our CP Series 100, it is a pay to age 121, and we issue at ages 0 to 85. The nice thing about this chart is it has this product strength and policy owner profile, so it basically tells you what the product does and who it's meant for. So the CP Series 100 is death benefit protection with guaranteed cash value accumulation, and it is Illinois Mutual's lowest cost whole life policy. And it's designed for those looking for simple, affordable, and guaranteed whole life coverage. Death benefit minimum is $10,000 for issue ages 0 to 44 and $35,000 for issue ages 45 to 85. Now, if your client is between the ages of 45 and 85, maybe they don't quite need $35,000, maybe they just want $15,000 or $20,000 to cover final expenses, then you would take a look at our CP Series 200 as it has a $10,000 death benefit minimum. So our CP Series 200 is a pay to age 95. We issue at ages 0 to 85. And the product strength is that it offers all of the perks of the CP Series 100 with a lower maturity age and higher expected dividends to help build policy value faster. And it's designed for those who want more from their coverage but may have budget constraints that won't allow a limited pay option. And as I mentioned before, it has that $10,000 death benefit minimum. Moving on to our limited pay options, we have our LP Series 100, which is a 30 pay, so they will have a paid up policy in 30 years. We issue at ages 0 to 65, and the product strength is it offers death benefit protection with guaranteed cash value accumulation while maintaining a focus on lower premium than the LP Series 200. And it's designed for those who value a budget-friendly limited pay plan with the guarantees and dividend potential found in a participating whole life policy. Minimum death benefit is $25,000. Then we have our LP Series 200, which is a 20 pay, so they'll have a paid-up policy in 20 years, issue ages 0 to 65, and it offers all of the perks of the LP Series 100 with faster cash value accumulation. And it's designed for those seeking high early cash values and policy growth to supplement their savings with a tax advantage vehicle. This is a popular policy for parents or grandparents who want to take out a policy on a baby or a young child, so then they have a paid-up policy by the time they reach college or young adulthood. Again, that death benefit minimum is $25,000. Then moving on to our single pay option, which is a one-time premium payment. We issue at ages 0 to 85. And death benefit minimum is $25,000 for issue ages 0 to 44 and $35,000 for issue ages 45 to 85. Now keep in mind those are death benefit minimums and not premiums. So premiums are going to vary based on age and gender, but you can solve for both death benefit or premium out in our quoting software. Let's get right into some of the key features of our Path Protector Plus Whole Life. There are 5 plans available based on client's life stage, needs, and planning objectives, and the preferred non-tobacco class is available at all issue amounts. If the insured is age 75 or younger and meets underwriting guidelines, a living benefits rider that gives clients the flexibility to accelerate a portion of the policy's death benefit if they become chronically or terminally ill is included at no additional premium. A rider providing benefits for terminal illness only is available to insureds who do not qualify for the chronic and terminal illness rider. Some other available riders to help customize your client's policy are the Guaranteed Insurability Option, or GIO rider, the term life insurance rider, other insured term rider, child term insurance rider, disability waiver premium rider, accidental death benefit rider, and paid up insurance rider. And all three term riders are convertible to whole life. The term life rider is a great way to build a blended policy, where maybe your client would like a larger death benefit, but can't afford for all of it to be whole life. Your client can choose a smaller face amount whole life policy and add the term rider with a higher death benefit. They also have the option to convert the term rider later on as their income increases. We issue the term life rider ages 18 to 60 for a 10-year and ages 18 to 50 for a 20-year. Minimum is $25,000 and the maximum is limited to 10 times the amount of the base policy, and it is convertible. Next, we have our other insured term rider. Typically, this is going to be a spouse, and we issue at ages 18 to 60 for a 10-year and 18 to 50 for a 20-year. Death benefit minimum is $25,000, and the max is limited to the base coverage plus term coverage on the base insured, and it is also convertible. Next, we have our child term insurance rider. It's issued for insureds ages 18 to 70 and children ages 0 to 18, with a death benefit minimum of $5,000 and max of $20,000. It is also convertible, and coverage for each child ends on the earliest of the date that the rider ends, the first policy anniversary on or after the child's 25th birthday, or the date converted to individual permanent life policy. Next, we have our disability waiver premium rider. We issue at ages 18 to 60, and it expires on the policy anniversary on or after the insured's 66th birthday, unless at that time the waiver benefit has been provided continuously since before the policy anniversary, immediately preceding the insured's 60th birthday. Let's take a closer look at a case study that shows the Continuous Pay Series 100 plan in action. Mark, who is 32, and Amber, who is 30, have two young children ages 7 and 5. One of Mark's coworkers recently had a major medical event that prompted Mark to take action to make sure he was doing all he could to ensure that he fulfills the commitment he made to caring for his family. Mark has decided to look for insurance that can help him cover his final expenses while also providing additional death benefit coverage for his wife and himself through their children's college years. Using the Continuous Pay Series 100 plan, Mark can obtain $50,000 of whole life insurance that will provide coverage to age 121 as long as premiums are paid. Using the term insurance rider, he can add $200,000 of death benefit protection for 20 years, and Amber can be covered under a 20-year other insured term rider with a $250,000 death benefit. Both children can be covered under a child term insurance rider with a $20,000 death benefit each. For a monthly premium of $92, this family now has up to $540,000 in life insurance protection. Additionally, as their protection needs change, they can consider converting the term riders to permanent whole life policies by using the conversion options. Now let's look at an example of how the Limited Pay Series 100 plan might be used. Eric, who is 48, has 3 adult children who are in their mid-20s. He wants to continue to help them be successful and is looking for an insurance solution that can help him create a financial platform from which to accomplish this. Using the Limited Pay Series 100 plan, for a monthly premium of $205, Eric can acquire $75,000 of whole life coverage to help protect his family financially. To help him achieve his commitment to providing his children financial assistance, Eric names them as beneficiaries. He is also interested in policy growth to increase the amount he is able to leave them. If Eric uses annual dividends to purchase paid-up additions, the policy's non-guaranteed death benefit potentially could grow to more than $93,000 by age 78, when this limited pay policy is fully paid up, an increase of over $18,000. Eric potentially increases the amount he can leave each child by just over $6,000. Last but not least, we have an example of single pay whole life being utilized to maximize a legacy. Carol, who is 58, a mother of 3 and grandmother of 7, has $60,000 that has not been earmarked for other purposes. She is looking for a way to increase the amount she would be able to leave her children and grandchildren. Using the financial power of single pay whole life, a single payment of $60,000 equals $121,032 of guaranteed death benefit. Immediately, she has more than doubled the amount she will leave to her family. Additionally, Carol's policy has an immediate cash value of more than $54,000, more than 90% of her initial payment. Your clients can increase the guaranteed death benefit by choosing to increase the amount of base coverage they purchase and decrease the PUI payment amount. Please note, the single pay whole life is usually a modified endowment contract. An accountant or attorney should be consulted regarding individual circumstances. In today's fast-paced market, consumers want solutions delivered quickly with little hassle. They're looking for a fast, simple, seamless sales process. The Path Protector Plus Life Series provides your clients with the opportunity to obtain $50,000 to $249,999 of life insurance coverage with Illinois Mutual without routine underwriting requirements such as exam, blood profile, urinalysis, or EKG for issue ages of 18 to 65 if MIB, MDR, and prescription and medical history are acceptable. Not having a visit with an insurance examiner can make life easier and get you paid faster. Let's get right into some of the key features of our Path Protector Plus Simplified Issue Whole Life, or SIWL. It covers assorted final expenses for issue ages 45 to 85. It's a quick and easy application process. There is a one-time payment option available, and policy loans are available. Our Simplified Issue Whole Life policy is for those between the ages of 45 and 85, with death benefits as low as $5,000 up to $50,000. There is a single pay option in addition to a continuous pay option, and underwriting classes are aggregate rates only, so there are no tobacco versus non-tobacco rates. There are also no substandard issues. This is not a guaranteed issue product, and it is issued standard up to Table F. We will run a prescription and medical history report, and if they are a Table F or better, we will approve it at standard. If they are rated higher than a Table F, then it will be a decline. It is also not a modified or graded death benefit, so they do have death benefit from day one. It is also a non-par product. And as I mentioned previously, policy loans are available if the policy has accumulated sufficient loan value. Also, be sure to check out our Simplified Issue Whole Life marketing materials available in the resource library of the agent portal, such as the agent guide, the underwriting guidelines, and some additional marketing materials like consumer stuffers and consumer brochures. Illinois Mutual provides a variety of powerful sales tools designed to streamline quoting and simplify the application process. With our 5G quote tool, you can instantly provide a quote when talking to someone at the ballgame, restaurant, party, anytime, anywhere. Even though most states require a full illustration at time of purchase, you are 24/7 quote ready when on the go at www.5gquote.com. The Agent Portal, which is Illinois Mutual's web-based dashboard, is a comprehensive resource that makes your day-to-day business easy and efficient. The Agent Portal includes our illustration software that runs on major web browsers. It allows for synchronization of sales efforts and enables you to easily include others you work with as users of the software. It also includes our application software, which can automatically populate clients' information by pulling directly from the illustration if you choose to create one, or move straight into the application and immediately start calculating rates for your clients. This results in a faster underwriting decision by assisting you in submitting a fully completed application. You can sign and submit applications electronically over the web once reviewed. Thank you so much for taking time to learn about our Path Protector Plus Whole Life and Simplified Issue Whole Life. Please reach out to our sales team with any questions regarding our life and disability income products, and be sure to check out our other on-demand webinars such as our illustration and EF demos. And as always, thank you for choosing Illinois Mutual.